Hello new Gmate user. In this video, I am going to teach you how to use our Gmate SMART blood glucose meter on your iPhone. Please download the free Gmate Healthcare app from the App Store before we begin. Step 1. Open the Gmate Healthcare application that you've just downloaded. Do take note that only the original Apple phone jack adapter can be used for our Gmate SMART. Connect the Gmate SMART meter into the adapter and insert into your iPhone lighting port. Please press the volume button to the maximum, as prompted by the message. Another message may appear asking if you are connecting to headphones. Please select Other Devices. Once the meter is paired successfully, the screen will show you the instruction to insert the Gmate test strip. Next, you can start to prepare for the finger prick. Unscrew the adjustable cap and insert the lancet into the holder and fix it firmly. Twist the lancet protective cap and screw back the adjustable cap. You can adjust the cap according to the thickness of your skin, from 1 to 5. Choose 1 if your skin is fairly thin. Next, draw the sliding barrel to prime the device. You should hear a soft click sound. Now it's time to insert the test strip. Make sure your hands are clean and dry when removing test strip from the bottle. Insert the test strip correctly, as shown on the image on your phone. Make sure your finger is clean before doing the prick test. You can either use alcohol swab or wash your hands. Make sure your hands are dry before pricking. Once your fingers are dry, place the lancing device on the finger you wish to prick and press the button to launch. Just a small blood sample will do. Now let the test strip suck the blood sample. And there you have it. The results will be out in just 5 seconds. You can select at which point of the day you took the test. The results will be color-coded based on the target range your doctor has recommended. You can also record down the meals you've taken, or any symptoms that you felt into the memo. Then press the tick icon to save your result. So there you have it. Results out in 5 seconds with unlimited storage. It's simple and affordable. Click on the icon to view your past results. You can click on the share icon to share your results in PDF to your doctors or caregiver. You can click on the menu icon to view the settings page. In here you can set alarm and change your target range recommended by your doctor. Dispose the used test strip and lancet properly. You can pierce the lancet to the cap to ensure the needle is not exposed. We have come to an end to our tutorial. This is a simple video to show you how to use the Gmate SMART meter on your iPhone. Feel free to contact us through WhatsApp if you have any inquiries. I hope Gmate can be a useful tool for your diabetes management journey. Thank you for watching.